The Police Service of Northern Ireland is the police force that serves Northern Ireland. It is the successor to the Royal Ulster Constabulary after it was reformed and renamed in 2001 on the recommendation of the Patten Report. Although the majority of PSNI officers are Ulster Protestants, this dominance is not as pronounced as it was in the RUC because of positive action policies. The RUC was a militarized police force and played a key role in policing the violent conflict known as the Troubles. As part of the Good Friday Agreement, there was an agreement to introduce a new police service initially based on the body of constables of the RUC. As part of the reform, an independent commission on policing for Northern Ireland, shortened to Police Service of Northern Ireland for operational purposes. All major political parties in Northern Ireland now support the PSNI. At first, Sinn Féin, which represented about a quarter of Northern Ireland voters at the time, refused to endorse the PSNI until the Patten Commission's recommendations were implemented in full. However, as part of the St Andrews Agreement, Sinn Féin announced its full acceptance of the PSNI in January 2007. In comparison with the other 44 territorial police forces of the United Kingdom, the PSNI is the third largest in terms of officer numbers and the second largest in terms of geographic area of responsibility. After Police Scotland, the PSNI is about half the size of Garda Síochána in terms of officer numbers. The senior officer in charge of the PSNI is its Chief Constable. The Chief Constable is appointed by the Northern Ireland Policing Board, subject to the approval of the Minister of Justice for Northern Ireland. The Chief Constable of Northern Ireland is the third highest paid police officer in the UK. Each district is headed by a Chief Superintendent. Districts are divided into areas, commanded by a Chief Inspector. These in turn are divided into sectors, commanded by inspectors. In recent years, under new structural reforms, some Chief Inspectors command more than one area as the PSNI strives to make savings. In 2001, the old police divisions and subdivisions were replaced with 29 district command units, broadly coterminous with local council areas. In 2007, the DCUs were replaced by 8 districts in anticipation of local government restructuring. Under the Review of Public Administration, responsibility for policing and justice was devolved to the Northern Ireland Assembly on 9 March 2010. Although direction and control of the PSNI remains under the Chief Constable. In addition to the PSNI, there are other agencies which have responsibility for specific parts of Northern Ireland's transport infrastructure. PSNI officers have full powers of a constable throughout Northern Ireland and the adjacent United Kingdom waters. Other than in mutual aid circumstances, they have more limited powers of a constable in the other 2 legal jurisdictions of the United Kingdom, England and Wales, and Scotland. Police staff, although non-warranted members of the service, contribute to both back office, operational support and frontline services, sometimes operating alongside warranted colleagues. The Patten Report recommended that a program of long-term personnel exchanges should be established between the PSNI and the Garda Síochána, the National Police Force of the Republic of Ireland. This recommendation was enacted in 2002 by an intergovernmental agreement on policing cooperation, which set the basis for the exchange of officers between the 2 services. There are 3 levels of exchanges. The protocols for these movements of personnel were signed by both the Chief Constable of the PSNI and the Garda Commissioner on 21 February 2005. The PSNI is supervised by the Northern Ireland Policing Board. The Police Ombudsman for Northern Ireland deals with any complaints regarding the PSNI and investigates any allegations of misconduct by police officers. Police staff do not fall under the Ombudsman's jurisdiction. The current Police Ombudsman is former Oversight Commissioner Dr. Michael Maguire, who took over from Al Hutchinson in July 2012. The Oversight Commissioner was appointed to ensure that the Patten recommendations were implemented comprehensively and faithfully, and attempted to assure the community that all aspects of the report were being implemented and being seen to be implemented. The oversight role ended on the 31st of May 2007, with the final report indicating that of Paton's 175 recommendations, 140 had been completed with a further 16 substantially completed. The PSNI is also internally regulated by its Professional Standards Department, who can direct local professional standards champions to investigate relatively minor matters, while a misconduct panel will consider more serious misconduct issues. Outcomes from misconduct hearings include dismissal, a requirement to resign, reduction in rank, monetary fines and cautions. The PSNI